Hello everyone, it's Lea Williams here at Tomlinson Sotheby's Realty, and we are going to do a live open house on this rainy spring day on Hayden Lake. It's actually pretty 4 seasons out of the year, and this is a spring day on Hayden Lake. I'm going to walk you through this home, and we're going to just do a quick, also I'll point you to this wonderful video that we have on a beautiful day. So on a beautiful day, this home at 5884 English Point Road, right here in a year-round location in Coeur d'Alene and Hayden. This one's in Hayden, right on Hayden Lake. It's a beautiful home with 5 bedrooms, and it's got great recreational areas for all kinds of people. I do want to mention that in this time of self-quarantining, we are having virtual open houses for people because they can't leave where they're at. And that's okay. We can help you with that. I know that everyone is pulling together and everyone is trying to stay safe and keep very well insulated from the outside world. So this is your little snapshot of what's going on in this home. And I'm going to have John, my helper, my husband, is going to show you a little bit on the main floor. One of the great things about this home is it is a year-round home, and it has vaulted ceilings. It was remodeled a few years ago. It has this glass floor, which is really, you can walk on it. I've got my wipes today, my booties, but you can see that it's got this great picture window. This is a conversation piece that actually reflects light off of the water. And as I mentioned, it is a rainy, stormy day. You can't really predict this stuff when it's live, so we just do what we can do. On a summer day, though, it is outstanding. There is a dock, if we can walk right out to the window. The docks haven't floated in yet, but in about 2 months, that dock will be there, and you can paddleboard from that boat, and you can see that the storm is just blowing in. But this is a great place to be a sanctuary right here on Hayden Lake. If you're just tuning in, this is Lea with Sotheby's, and we're right on Hayden Lake at this beautiful waterfront property. We're going to walk you over to the kitchen, which is really designed for entertaining. It's another room in the house, and I'm walking on the glass floor. It's beautiful. You can put furniture on it. And as you can see, there are many things about the kitchen that are ideal. They all have lake views, so this one was designed with a great deck all the way around. It does have a really nice hearth room right off, so you can entertain the cook while you are in fact cooking. And then a barbecue deck that wraps all the way around the home. One of the things that we love about this part of the world is the sunsets. Unfortunately, you can't see that today. I'm going to link in a YouTube video that will actually show you the beautiful sunsets and the lake. Let's go downstairs. I want to tell you a little bit about the history. The owner purchased it so that they could do some really great family reunions here. So come on down and I'll show you the family reunion, wonderful space and rec room. There is a garage, that's a 3-car garage right off the main level. It's a very level entry. One of the things they did was nieces, nephews, all kinds of family members would gather from all over the country, and they would come here to just have a week or 2 of fun in the sun right on the lake. And this is why we love this place. One of the great rec rooms here with this great pool table, another fireplace. There's a theater room as well. And he has a pachinko pinball machine room for fun. But this is where they would have Seahawk football parties or whatever your sports may be. As you can see, there's another deck right off here. One of the great things about Hayden Lake is it's a smaller lake than Coeur d'Alene Lake, and it's very family friendly. There's a boathouse restaurant and gas station and marina right on the lake that you can go to and enjoy. The Hayden Lake Country Club, you can't see it today, but it is right over there. So it is a private club, but they have a social membership, and it's really right by Avondale Golf Club too. So you're really within just a few minutes of a lot of major golf courses. If we walk this way, I'm just gonna point down the hallway. That is where there's a couple more bedrooms and another bonus room. And there's an office right here. One of the main features, we can't go down to the main floor. We're not gonna show you the whole house, but down on the other level is another master suite. There's one on the main level and one on this level. And it's really a great suite with its own bar room area and a rec room, workout room. So if you're self-sanctuary in home, you can do it right there. It has a steam shower in the bathroom, which is really great. We're gonna walk right back upstairs. I'm gonna tell you another feature of it. If you're just now tuning in, we're just doing a walkthrough of this fabulous home on Hayden Lake. It is approximately 6,000 square feet with a 3-car garage. It is one of the spectacular locations right here in a year-round location. One of the great things about Hayden is it is in the Coeur d'Alene School District. There are about 10,000 students in the district, 2 major high schools, and it has really great education for the kids. We have a college here in the town, North Idaho College, and all kinds of great hospital. You're only a few minutes to the hospital. 5 beds, 3.5 baths, main floor living, and 100 feet of frontage, the best beach and frontage here right on beautiful Hayden Lake. So hope to see you. Oh, thanks for the comments and shout outs, y'all. I hope to see you guys soon. I know we're all inside and we just have to have a little bit of recreating and stay safe, everyone.